how we can feel around us some about someone is facing a critical phase of their depression, how we analyze their inner feeling, their inner insight, what they actually have felt or feeling continuously, or can say facing continuously. Because one thing is very common for those person who is suffering from depression, they have deepest and biggest pain, but they have also the can say no the senseless feeling about understanding them, about understanding those hard phase of their life. So Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna. Today I am going to share my thoughts about someone who is facing the critical phase of condition. They have not any realization, they have not the right understanding what actually they are feeling right now, what the pain inside them which have shown in front of us, but they are not being able to understand them, realize them. This is not can say about themselves, they are ignoring their those of their emotions. No, because they have the deepest pain inside their mind and thought. That's why those physical pain they are not realizing in themselves. Here we have to understand them, we have to take care of them and give our humble care for them, like kids, like flower. How we treat the means flower, if we plucked in right now from the plant, how we treat them, we treat them very politely, very smoothly. In the same way we have to be ourselves in them, with them politely, and also understand them what they actually are feeling continuously, what they have the darkest pain inside them. That's why they are not able to understand their physical pain, their little trauma, or little can say trauma of physical pain inside their souls and emotions. Here the analyzing of their emotions, we have to make them firstly with comfort and peace. We have to give them right direction of each of one step of their life, how they can live, how they can feel like a 6 month kids. Yes, 6 month kids, how we treat them, we treat them very politely, very lovingly, and in the same way we have to give the nurse side, the care side of those person who is suffering from depression in the critical phase of darkest side of depression. So means, to the humble regards, we can analyze them, we can understand them, yet it seems so hard. It seems firstly that they are not sharing their, when we ask them, how you feeling right now, they are very easily said to you, okay, I am fine. Yes, by words they are saying I am fine, but in reality they are fine or not. Here we have to understand them, we have to keep our focus, our inside thought for them, like lovingly and with carefully, that how you really feeling right now. If they are not able to share, if they are not able to tell their pain and inside any of injury, we have to understand, we have to see them, we have to pamper them and care them with right kinds of medicine, treatment, and first of all with care about can say lovingly, because love for them means a lot. Yes, here love is the biggest medicine, the can say greatest theory by which they feel relaxed and calm in themselves, and this is also can say the real support for them by us. So when we see around us any of person who is facing from the critical phase of depression, by which they are not able to understand their injury, their any of pain or any of want, here we have to make them clear that they are not alone, they have everything and everyone, and we are ready to understand them. and lovingly we have to give them our love and support with care. And in this way we can create a peaceful surrounding, a very nice and careful surrounding around us. And this is a great temper, this is a great theory, also can say the donation for the world, for the universe by karma. And karma here means a lot. So I hope all of you understand my words, what actually I want to share, and understand those of them who is near you, who is here, who is capable to make you feel that actually they are suffering from those kinds of harsh problem and can say the diseases of their life. So understand them and give them care and love first. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.